Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy Talk English. We're really happy you're here with us today.
I'm Lucas.
And I'm Clara. And today we're going to help you understand real English in a very natural situation.
This podcast is here to help you speak English more comfortably, without stress, and without overthinking.
If you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy Talk English.
All right, let's begin.
So, we're at the airport now, and I have to admit, I feel a little nervous.
That's completely normal. Airports can feel stressful, especially when you have bags and many things to remember.
Lucas, do you have the passports with you? Or did you leave them somewhere by mistake?
Yes, I have them. They're in my jacket pocket, and I checked everything before we left the house.
Ah, okay, that's good. I always worry about that kind of thing.
I know. You like to double-check everything when we travel.
And do you remember what time our flight is? Or should we check again just to be sure?
I think it's at 10:30, but I'll check on my phone quickly to confirm.
Yes, please check. I feel more relaxed when we are sure.
Okay. Yes, the flight is at 10:30, and boarding starts at 9:50. So we still have time.
Perfect. That makes me feel much better.
Yes. Arriving early always helps because you don't need to rush at the last minute.
Do you usually arrive early when you travel? Or do you sometimes arrive at the last minute?
I usually arrive early because I don't like to rush, and I prefer waiting calmly instead of feeling stressed.
Yes, I feel the same, especially when we travel with luggage.
It looks quite busy today. There are a lot of people here.
Yes. Do you think we'll have to wait a long time, or will it move quickly?
Maybe we'll wait a little, but the line is moving, so it should be fine.
All right, let's stay here and move forward slowly.
Yes, there's no need to rush. Everything is under control.
Lucas, do we need to print our boarding passes, or do we already have them on the phone?
We already have them on the phone. I downloaded them yesterday, so everything is ready.
Ah, good. That makes things easier.
Yes, technology really helps when you travel.
Do you prefer using your phone for everything, or do you sometimes print documents just in case?
I usually use my phone, but sometimes I print important documents just to avoid any problems.
Yes, that's a good idea, especially for important trips.
Yes, it's always better to be prepared.
Okay. I think it's almost our turn now.
Yes, we're getting closer. Everything is going well so far.
Do we need to show our passports now, or do we wait until they ask us?
We can wait and then show everything when it's our turn.
Okay, that sounds good. And do we need anything else ready, or just the passports and boarding passes?
Just the passports and boarding passes should be enough. Everything else is already prepared.
Ah, good. I feel better when everything is ready. Yes, preparation makes everything easier. Traveling always feels a little stressful at the beginning.
Yes, but it also feels exciting at the same time.
Yes, that's true. And you can see, these are simple questions you can use in real life when you travel.
English becomes easier when you focus on simple communication.
And in the next part, we'll continue this situation and see what happens next. Lucas, I just realized something. I'm not sure about the weight of our bags.
It should be fine. We didn't take too many things. But yes, it's always a bit uncertain.
Do you think they might be too heavy, or are we still within the limit?
I think we're close to the limit, but not over. At least I hope so.
I always worry about this part. It feels stressful for no reason.
Yes, but even if there is a small problem, we can fix it quickly. It's not a big issue.
I hope so. And do you remember if we added anything extra at the last minute?
Maybe a few things, but nothing too heavy. I think we're still okay.
Okay. And what happens if the bag is too heavy? Do we have to pay more?
Yes, sometimes you have to pay extra or move things from one bag to another.
Ah, I see. That's exactly what I want to avoid.
Don't worry. We'll handle it if it happens. There's always a solution.
Okay. I'm trying to stay calm, but I still feel a little nervous.
That's completely normal. Traveling always brings a bit of stress, especially before check-in.
Do you feel nervous too, or are you completely relaxed right now?
I'm mostly relaxed, but yes, I also feel a little pressure just to make sure everything goes well.
Yes, I understand that. It's always the beginning that feels the most stressful.
Exactly. Once everything is done, you feel much better.
Yes, that's true. We're getting closer now.
Yes, just a few more people in front of us.
Do you think we need to prepare anything else before it's our turn?
I think everything is ready. Passports, boarding passes, and bags.
Okay. And do we need to say anything special or just answer their questions?
Just answer their questions. Everything is simple. They usually guide you.
Good. I always think it's more complicated than it really is.
Yes. It often feels more stressful in your head than in reality.
That's true. Do you think traveling gets easier with experience, or is it always a little stressful?
I think it gets easier because you understand the process better. But there's always a small level of stress.
Yes, I think so too. But maybe that's part of the experience.
Yes, a little stress and a lot of excitement.
Exactly. Okay, now it's really our turn.
Yes, we're ready. Everything is under control.
I hope everything goes smoothly.
It will. Don't worry.
All right. And this is how real conversations happen. You ask simple questions,
You express small concerns,
and you react naturally.
just like in real life.
And in the next part, we'll continue this situation and see what happens after check-in. Lucas, I was just thinking about something.
Yes. What's on your mind?
I was wondering about the small bag we packed earlier.
The small bag? Yes. What about it?
I'm not completely sure we checked everything inside.
I think we did. But now that you mention it, I'm not 100% sure either.
Yes, it's not a big problem, but I'd like to be sure.
Yes? That makes sense. It's always better to check and feel relaxed.
Exactly. Do you think we still have time to take a quick look?
Yes, we do. We're not in a hurry.
Okay, that's good. Let me just open it quickly. Hmm. I see clothes, chargers, documents. Everything looks normal. Oh, I don't see the headphones.
The headphones. Are you sure they were in this bag?
Maybe not. Maybe I put them somewhere else.
Yes. They're probably in your backpack. You often keep them there.
Ah, yes. You're right. They're here. Okay, everything is fine.
Perfect. Nothing to worry about.
Yes. And now I feel much more relaxed.
That's the important thing.
Do you often feel like this before traveling? Or are you usually more relaxed?
I think I'm usually relaxed, but sometimes I also check things again. Just to be sure.
Yes, it's probably a good habit. It helps you feel more comfortable.
Exactly. And once everything is checked, you can really enjoy the trip.
Yes, that's true. Traveling is a mix of preparation and excitement.
Yes. And both are important.
I like that feeling. Do you think traveling helps you become more organized over time?
Yes, definitely. Because you learn from experience and you prepare better each time.
Yes, I already feel more confident than before.
And that's how you improve, step by step.
Yes, and now everything feels calm again.
Yes. And we're almost ready to move forward.
That's good. You know, these small moments are actually very useful
What do you mean?
because this is how real conversations happen. You ask simple questions. You check things.
And you feel more confident step by step. Yes. And that's how English becomes natural.
Not perfect, just natural.
And that's what really matters.
And in the next part, we'll finish this situation and get ready for the flight. I feel really good now. Everything is done, and we can finally enjoy the flight without thinking about anything else.
Yes. Everything went smoothly, and now we can just relax and take in the experience.
I love this moment after takeoff, when everything becomes quiet and peaceful.
Yes. It feels like the world slows down for a while.
Look outside. The view is already beautiful.
Yes. We're high enough now to see the city clearly.
The buildings look so small, like tiny shapes.
Yes. Everything looks organized, almost like a map from above.
I think we're flying along the coast.
Yes. You can see the water stretching out and the land slowly fading into the distance.
It's really beautiful.
Yes, this is one of the best moments during a flight.
Oh, look over there. That must be New York.
Yes, I can recognize the skyline, those tall buildings grouped together.
Even from here, it looks impressive.
Yes, the shape of the city is very distinctive.
I like how the sunlight reflects on the buildings. Everything looks softer.
Yes, it changes the atmosphere completely.
I could sit here and just look outside for a long time.
Yes, it's very calming.
It makes you forget everything else for a moment.
Exactly.
I think they're starting to move around with drinks now.
Yes, I can see some movement in the aisle.
Do you feel like having something to drink, or are you fine?
I think I'll have something light. Maybe water, just to stay refreshed.
Yes, water sounds good. It always feels nice during a flight.
Yes, especially after takeoff.
I like how everything happens step by step.
Yes. First takeoff, then drinks.
Then food.
Exactly.
It creates a nice rhythm.
Yes. It makes the flight feel more comfortable.
I think food will come soon.
Yes, usually not long after drinks.
Do you usually eat everything during flights, or just a little?
I usually eat slowly, not because I'm hungry, but because it helps pass the time.
Yes, I feel the same. It's more about the experience.
Exactly.
Hmm, it looks like the meal service is starting. I can see people receiving their trays.
Yes, it's coming row by row.
I like that moment. It makes everything feel organized.
Yes, and it gives you something to focus on.
Here it is. It looks simple, but nice.
Yes, something warm and easy to eat.
I like eating slowly while looking outside.
Yes, it makes the experience more enjoyable.
The sky looks different now.
Yes, the light changes as we move higher.
It's almost like another world.
Yes, very calm, very quiet.
I feel completely relaxed now.
Yes, everything is settled.
It's nice to just sit, eat, and look outside.
Yes, nothing else to think about.
After this, I might just close my eyes for a moment.
Yes, even a short rest feels good during a flight.
Did you feel that?
Yes, just a small movement.
It feels like light turbulence.
Yes, nothing unusual. It happens quite often.
It's not uncomfortable, just a gentle movement.
Yes, the plane is adjusting.
I always notice it, but it doesn't worry me.
Yes, once you're used to it, it feels normal.
It's already becoming smoother again.
Yes, it doesn't last long.
And now everything feels stable again.
Yes, back to that quiet feeling.
I like that contrast, movement, and then calm again.
Yes, it makes the calm even more enjoyable.
The sky looks even brighter now.
Yes, we're fully above the clouds now.
It feels like another world.
Yes, very still, very peaceful.
I think I could stay here for hours, just watching.
Yes, it's one of the best parts of flying.
I'm really enjoying this moment.
Me too.
I think I'm just going to sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the flight.
That sounds perfect.
If you enjoyed this moment, you can always listen again, slowly, and just follow the conversation.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Easy Talk English.
See you in the next conversation.